All right, when you think you've seen it all, well, you haven't yet. Let me introduce you guys to the actually solar panel slash USB wireless charging light navigation. This thing has everything but the kitchen sink. So let me start with the actual external part of it. All right. First of all, you got a compass here, if you guys can see. Also, a thermostat here, if you guys can see that. So right now it's in Fahrenheit, of course, but it tells you the temperature around your location. Now, we're not done yet. When I tell you guys that we're going to throw out the whole thing plus the sink, look at this. You got an actual knob here. So you could recharge this hand crank, right? So if you're ever broken down, no battery, no charging, this thing must go with you. On top of that, there's a flashlight, all right? There's another light, LED light, and a charging station, an indicator that tells you how much battery it is with the power button here. If you guys can see it, it tells you right there how much battery. And then if you put it closer to the light, it's going to start charging too. Now, you got the light on. If you hold on to the button, 1, 2, 3, it turns on. And if you hit it again, it does flashing. Look at that. All right, to turn on the actual light, just showed you guys, but to turn on the camping light, you see the little light button, you just click it twice and it turns on. This is gonna strip light, right? This is a camping light. That means you could hang this, and they do give you a hanging strip here. And also it's a nylon string that you converts into a survival nylon string. So you could hang this pretty much anywhere in the middle of your campground. If you guys can see it, this is gonna last you quite a while. So let's turn it off. And that's pretty much how it is. All right, now let's talk about the actual cabling. You have the lightning bolt here, lightning connection right here for your iPhone. You got USB type A here if in case you need to power up other devices. And then they give you not just one, but they give you 2 type C connections. And then of course the wireless. So we're going to try to see if we could plug in everything in here and see how it works. But first, let me show you one important thing in here. It's covered up with in the silicone cover here. It gives you a USB, and this one says out. The center one is in and out, which that means the charging station, and this is a USB. USB, this is a faster charge, the blue one, than it is at the regular A. All right, so, and it does have the silicone cover, and you cover it up pretty much if you're gonna be in the snow, rain. Take it pretty much anywhere with you. I like the hand crank, so you have wherever run a battery, which we have our iPhone here. Plug it in, a USB Type C here. All right, and we're actually plugging it in right now. We're charging both. Now, if you want to charge this wireless, you could do the Type C, or we could just add. Make sure you know where exactly it's going to be charging from, and just put it over and wait a couple seconds, and it should come up. There it is. See, it just starts charging. So you can have various systems at the same time. So if you take it to amusement park or long distance or long drives, this is a perfect device to charge all your units, not just one, but pretty much everything. And plus, I like that they give you the extra charge, the Type C. Normally, all the devices are turning Type C, which is a plus. So hope you guys enjoyed this video.